Brent plunged to below the $90 per barrel mark as the long market lost its bottle and sold into the headlines this week. After the weekend's event, the market was left underwhelmed by the choreography and the lack of damage sustained by the Iranian attack. In turn, as participants bought into the rising price and went long into the weekend, fearing a proper supply disruption and escalation in conflict, the opening days of this week saw some players looking to exit their positions. Price action came off from opening around the $91 mark to fall into the $88 and $89 per barrel handles. However, as both Monday and Tuesday came to a close, the market showed resilience and refused to close below the $90 level. As we passed the midweek point, the bears really dug in their claws. A flurry of bearish headlines, including a greater than expected build in US crude inventories, Iranian military statements and global macro weakness, prompted many more players to throw in the towel as price action was smoked down to low $87 handles. Thursday displayed a similar outlook as prices printed $1 lower and reached its lowest level so far this month at $86.10 per barrel. However, as prices looked attractive beneath the $87 mark, punters contemplated the idea of re-entry. This idea was in full flow in the early hours of Friday morning as reports emerged that there had been 3 large explosions in Iran, signaling a potential retaliation from Israel. Brent rallied almost $4 in 2 hours to almost reach highs of $91 as the damage of the attack remained opaque. Yet as time passed, Brent gradually came off to print in the $87 handles once more, as Iranian officials confirmed that no missile attack was carried out and the explosions were a result of the activation of Iran's air defense, as well as stating that Iran has no plan for immediate retaliation. In turn, prices are printing in line with our forecast of between $86 and $88 per barrel. It will be interesting to monitor how players will position themselves going into this weekend. Will they go long once again after not going to plan last time, or will they take the risk of missing out on a potential rally if Iran does retaliate or Israel launched another attack after testing the waters?